Star Cinema nagsalita na tungkol sa mga isyung kinasasangkutan ng pelikulang My Love Will Make You Disappear at bakit in-unfollow ng Kim Pao ang Star Cinema. Narito ang buong statement. As part of Star Cinema's commitment to bringing Philippine films to a global audience, we are excited to announce the new playdate for the much-anticipated romantic comedy My Love Will Make You Disappear, starring Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino. The film will now appear in cinemas worldwide starting March 26. The move comes in light of new developments and exciting opportunities to expand into the North American market. We are happy to share that global theater distributor Abramorama and award-winning international entertainment marketing firm Amaret Jones Media Consulting are collaborating again with Star Cinema in bringing the beautiful story to even more viewers as they believe in the film's universal appeal that can captivate a broader audience. So ayan na nga no, ililipat na nga sa March 26. At napatweet naman itong si OG Diaz, parang gimmick to promote the movie. Kung totoo man, effective kasi nag-react ang mga fans. Umingay kasi talaga itong isyong ito no, sa X, sa lahat ng mga social media platforms. February 12 talaga ang original playdate ng movie ni na Kim Chiu at Paolo. Ngunit makikita naman sa pelikulang XX Lovers sina Marvin at Jolina na February 12 na rin ang kanilang playdate. Meaning to say, sila na ang kumuha ng playdate na yon at hindi natin alam kung yun din ba isang sanhi o rason kung bakit ililipat or imomove ang playdate ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Kaya may mga fans talaga na hindi talaga gusto ang treatment ng Star Cinema sa Kim Pao. The fact that Star Cinema doesn't have the backbone to at least release a statement screams guilty and lack of accountability. You let Kim and Paolo be bashed with absurd theories. Ginamit niyo pa alt accounts niyo to throw shade at Kim and Paolo. Please, Princess Chinita, have the backbone to stand up for yourself this time. Hindi pwedeng lagi ka nalang dehado. You already proved your loyalty with ABS-CBN. Consider your well-being this time. Kayo guys, ano ang masasabi nyo sa bagong playdate ng My Love Will Make You Disappear? Which is sana mas maganda, di ba? Kung sa February talaga ipapalabas dahil araw ng mga puso at magandang playdate talaga ang February 12. Ngunit kinumpirma na nga ng Star Cinema na sa Marso na nga ipapalabas para i-give way ang international audience at i-develop pa ang kailangang i-develop. Yun ang statement ngayon ng Star Cinema at yan kumpirmadong ililipat na ang playdate ng My Love Will Make You Disappear from February to March. Anong masasabi nyo dito mga Kim Pao fans? Comment down below.